So you want to know how to create more compelling adverts for your brand or business. Well, you're watching Brand Video Pro, where I help brands tell their stories in more engaging and compelling ways. If you're new here, my name is Kenim. So let's begin. So in this video, we're going to react to this Hinge advert that I saw. And if you don't know what Hinge is a dating app. And their whole their tagline, which every brand should have a tagline, and I break it down in my online course. But their tagline is the dating app designed to be deleted. So that's their hook, and that's going to be the theme of all their ads. So we're going to react to this ad. Let us begin, and then I will give a review on it.
I'm deleting you. I met someone. Oh my God, what happens now? You go to heaven? There's a heaven for profile pictures? Yeah, probably.
Hinge, the dating app designed to be deleted.
So that is just fantastic, compelling advertising. And that's really what it takes when you're creating content, in this generation. Because, so the little spiel is that we are now in the information era, no longer in the industrial era. But a lot of people are still industrial era minded. But when it comes to marketing, especially online, it's all about attention. Attention is the currency of the information era. So how do you grab people's attention? And the answer is simple, but it's not a simple process. But the answer is content marketing. All of the content that you produce for your brand should be engaging. And that means either, entertainment, funny, etc., or it could mean educational, like this video, right? So the idea here is to, capture your audience's attention. So how does this ad capture my attention? When you think about what their tagline is for their brand, the dating app that, is designed to be deleted, is actually very interesting the way this ad plays out, because
I'm deleting you.
So that's already compelling. Your first line of any sort of piece of content is your hook. That's where you want to capture people. How do they capture us? They have this iconic butterfly photo that, we see a lot in LA. There's an artist that used to make these butterfly photos. So everybody has, or not has, but has seen somebody take a picture in front of these butterfly wings before. So you're already interested, you're intrigued. Okay, what is this about? So that's the first thing that hooks you, right? Then you hear the footsteps. Sound is also used to hook you immediately. And so the first thing you hear is, I'm deleting you, which is a hook. That's a line. That's interesting. Why are you deleting me? That's so rude. It's already relatable. Why am I being deleted? But clearly she's talking to herself, which is also another interesting element. She's talking to her profile picture.
I met someone. Oh my God, what happens now?
You see, I met someone. That's the point of the app, right? It's a dating app. You're there to meet people. So it's already we're intrigued. I'm talking about the storytelling, the scripting, and how I'm being intrigued as the every line, plays forth or goes forward. And one thing about when you're making ads, every single line matters. That's how meticulous. They have teams that go in meticulously correcting and looking at every single line, because it has to do a number of things. It has to entertain, it has to hook you, and it has to draw you in. And most importantly, it has to sell you. It has to make you want to buy the app or want to buy into their product. So
you go to heaven? There's a heaven for profile pictures?
So that's already funny. You go to heaven. It's hilarious. How does a profile picture go to heaven, right? It's comedic.
Yeah, probably.
And almost behind her back, She clicks the delete, and it's a very relatable, awkward moment that everybody has experienced, whether it's blocking a friend behind their back on Instagram, or, you know, just not wanting to have someone in your life anymore. It's very relatable, and that's already part of that. It's like that awkward moment that everybody has experienced in some form of their life. So think about the relatability here.
Hinge.
Again, dramatics, you know, see how like she just poof and she disappears, the cup drops. Sound is also used in very dramatic ways to capture and engage and to entertain. So even just the process, so it's not about just what you do, but it's how you do it. And so even the how of how this ad plays out is very interesting and very different.
Hinge. The dating app designed to be deleted.
And there you have it. They end it with their hook to let you know, in case you didn't capture it, in case you didn't grasp it in the main ad. Well, now we've told you, look, this is the app that is meant to be deleted. So again, fantastic app. So what are some takeaways? What can you apply with your brand moving forward? Number one is content marketing. How can your content create value for your viewers, whether that's educational value like this video is doing, or it's comedic value? How can you create content that creates value for your viewers? The next one is, how can you engage your viewers? So that's very important. How can you grab people's attention? You know, the first 3 seconds of a video is the most important part of the video. So how do you do that? The third one is, how can you simplify your brand's messaging, right? How can you use one sentence to sell your product? And that's a tagline. And like I said, I break down how to make effective taglines for your brand. And I do a number of things on my online course that teaches you, how to make engaging and basically how to dominate content creation and how to compete in this new media landscape. And that's on brandvideoproagency.com. Go to the link in the description or the link in bio if you're watching on Instagram. So those are the key things here to help you, improve the content that you make. And I hope this video is helpful for you, and see you in the next one.